Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Center County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania until 11:45 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia until 9 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Star Tannery, Oregon, 10 miles west of Winchester, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cross Junction, Gainsboro, Cedar Hill, Cedar Grove, Rock, Enon Springs, Gore, Whitaker, and Wild Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.